Hey guys, this is Christine, and I hope you enjoy my video of deals and steals. We're going to be going to all the different places like Ross and TJ Maxx and Marshalls. We'll see where we go today. Have a great day. Hope you enjoy what I find, and we'll see what I pick out and what I buy and blog, and if I get a haul or not. Enjoy! Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and ding, so you get my notifications. Have a great day. Bye. Hi guys. Today we're at Brigantine Coat Factory in Deptford, and I'm with my friend Kaylin, and we're trying to get some steals and deals, and we're going to see what they have around in the makeup department. All right, here we go. Here we go. This is Bath and Body. We're in their regular aisles right now. Oh, Kaylin says they have Laura Geller. We're gonna go see what they have over there. Yeah, there were just some drugstore brands. Let's see. How much this would be? $10.99. Oh my god, that's a deal. Quite honest today. Here, she says they have Laura Geller here. Clearance. Oh, it looks pretty put together. Let's look at this. They're pretty fun.
I can't get it out.
What's the price point?
$6.99.
$6.99. That's a good price point for Laura Geller.
I don't know the original.
Okay.
Awful. Look at this. Horrible. Even for $2.99, it won't be that bad. Oh, that was a good price. We're gonna get this. It's a good price. I think that's all I see though. Yeah. See what else they got. $3.99 for that. Good price. Hold on. Door for makeup. Okay. Kohl's Insider. Here we go. What's the retail value, babe?
$14.
Okay, and how much is it here?
$6.99.
Oh, here we go. You have to make sure it's in there. And what's this?
This is a cargo palette. Now they didn't have this one where I work, but it's similar, and they normally retail for $39.
Oh,
and
wow.
the price is $10.
That's a hit. Not a miss, a hit. So let's make sure it's there. Check, make sure it's on first. Oh, and then it's fine. This is the NYX. It's the NYX in your wing, and they have air. Let's see what are these.
It's open.
These
it's
are
already open. Okay.
This is $14.99, but I feel like that's very high compared with $24. No, too much. Bye. Here you go. Positions. Oh, it's in good shape. We'll get that one too. They're pretty funny. Let's see this. Make sure all the pieces are there. So they have these 7Ws. They have these BB lashes. That looks like a good set. Anything with lashes that you get a lot. They have some Ardell. And these are $2.99 compared to like $4 or $5. You have to really look through all this. Nicole Miller.
I think this is missing.
We don't want things that are missing. That's a boo-boo.
No, so this one has both. There you go. This has both.
These are both good. So let's see what else. See, I just can't stay away. I'm a makeup addict. This is MD. I think those $2.99. She thinks they're saying that. Okay, let's see what else. Rimmel. Oh, lipstick kit from. Oh, let's see. Gee, they have the Gigi Hadid Maybelline. That's a good. $5.99. I heard they had these places. Here, look. $5.99. I feel like that's a good. What should we do this? The eye palette, the Gigi had it for $5.99.
It's not a bad price. You should check out the Physicians Formula.
I know, I was seeing that. I do have a bunch of the Physicians in there. Why would I lie to you? It's a whole set.
Oh my gosh.
Hi guys, we're at our second store today. We're at Ross, Dress for Less, and we're gonna see what beauty finds we can find here. Woo! Here we go, we going in. We are at the perfume section. Caitlin's gonna give us some price points. I like Juicy Couture. Let's see. So, it says it's $19.99. So let's see what Caitlin thinks.
It retails for more than 31.
Retails for more than 31, so we own that. Let's see, we have some BB. The Jessica Simpson. There's only 99 here. We got a big one and a little one.
I think we have that one in my store. We have this.
It's the Paris.
No. Let's see how much. 20, 30 bucks.
30.
And it would normally be like around $50. And then, should we look anywhere else? Do we see any more?
Lucky You. It's a lucky brand.
My favorite.
Were you running?
I'm not sure how much this one was. $12. That's not bad.
For a small size.
Oh, okay.
See, I don't like how you can't test the smell though.
Well, that's where if you know what they smell
Know what they smell like, so
then you get it.
just
Oh, this is like awesome.
so I stick with my Juicy.
This I haven't seen in a while. It smells really good. Sometimes like Calvin Klein's like too much.
Fruity, I think.
Fruity? What's this Wild Blossom?
I don't like flowery.
Who makes this? I have no idea. Banana Republic. I've never smelled it.
Okay. We got these in the mail and they retail a lot more than the $9.99 price they're giving us here. So that's cool. Let's see this one here. Oh, 2 Modas. These are $4.99. It's a pretty good price. That brush is so great. We'll be pack. $12.99. I feel like are a lot better. Paris Hilton kit. Modern Beauty brushes. $9.99. Let's see what cups they have here. They don't really have any brand names. Yeah. The Ellen Tracy. Oh, it looks so good. Next New York. $9.99. Really good deal. The only thing I really see that we get is the Moda brushes. That's a good deal. Eau de Color, Natural. They're $6.99. That's a good deal. Their brushes are a good deal here. That's about it. They have this Bare Essentials, Bare Minerals, $6.99. That's in that. They have these little kits. Oh, all their good makeups in these things. Some of them are a little, they're Lancome. That one looks a little messed up. You can see that. $9.99. Some of them are silver. Bikini razors are cute. Little Technique sponge ones. Hi guys, we had to do a Starbucks stuff. I got a vanilla chai tea latte because we get thirsty and we have to be refreshed and refueled. Alright, on to our next stop. Hi guys, last and final stop, Home Goods. But look at this carriage you can put plants in. Tell me if you would or wouldn't. I Jeff Lord in the bike. Home Goods. Alright, let's see what we can find. In this aisle we have all of the containers. This mermaid's absolutely $4.99. I don't know. I feel like that's good. Space filter. $9.